Hey everyone, just wanted to go through and explain some of the differences between WordPress.com and WordPress.org as a blogging platform and go through what the differences are of each, who may want to use either of them, and some of the pros and cons of using either one as well. So first, WordPress itself is a blogging and content management platform. And what that means is whether you're using WordPress.com or WordPress.org, either way, you have the ability to add blog posts, add content, update your content, all that type of stuff. The primary difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org is who actually hosts your website. So if we look at the WordPress.com plans, you can see here the free WordPress plan means you will have your WordPress.com website set up on a WordPress.com subdomain. So you would, as you can see here, you'd have sitename.wordpress.com. You would not just have sitename.com as your domain name. And that is one of the primary differences between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. However, WordPress.com has started to offer these hosting plans where you get the ability to have a custom domain name and you pay for that. You pay for them to host your site, and then you get some additional features within here as well. The problem is with a lot of these WordPress.com plans, they're not a great value compared to using WordPress.org on some of the other hosting providers. What I mean by that is you have to pay $25 per month billed yearly to get the small business plan to remove WordPress.com ads and to be able to install plugins and upload themes to your site. Now, if you're unfamiliar, essentially what that means is for you to have any relative customization ability on your site, you would need to be paying WordPress $25 per month billed yearly to be able to install a plugin on your site. With WordPress.org, granted, you have to figure out where to host your site. For example, if you're using Bluehost, you can host your website for $3 or $5 or $10 per month and own the entire website, host the website with Bluehost, have your own custom domain name, and have the ability to install any themes, plugins, or any of the other customization information you need on your site. So that's the biggest difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. While it's the same platform, the flexibility and the ability for you to manage and maintain your domain name is much greater if you're using something like WordPress.org, which is what is used when you're using one-click installs on a hosting provider like Bluehost. So hopefully this explains a little bit about the differences between WordPress.com, WordPress.org. It can be a little bit tricky when you're getting started, but I'd be happy to go over any questions or comments you have, as well as put together some more detailed videos about the differences or about setting up a website or that process as well. So let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to give you a little bit more detail and help you out with the knowledge I have. I've tested dozens of different hosting providers, have set up tons of different websites, and would be happy to help you out along this process. Thanks. Have a great day.